Hey everyone, this is Isaac and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add lens flare to your photos. The first thing we need to do is decide where we want to put the lens flare. I'm going to put it on the headlight of this car. To create the lens flare, you're going to go to Filter, Render, and here it is, lens flare. But there is a problem, and I'm going to show you what it is. If I want to create the lens flare on this car, as you can see, it's going to be cut off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select every single layer I have, and if you have 20 layers, you're going to want to select all the 20 layers. If you want to put a lens flare on your photo, I recommend that it is the last thing you put on the photo. Then I'm going to go to Merge Layers. I'm going to go to Filter, Render, Lens Flare. As you can see, now it's on the whole photo. Here, you can adjust the brightness of the lens flare. I'm going to keep it at 80%. And here you have 4 lens types. I'm going to choose the 105mm. Select the position of your lens flare and press OK when you're ready. There it is. That's how you create a lens flare. If you want to make another one, all you have to do is just repeat the process. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.